Model, 63-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito 113 2.2 CDI fridge van fuel pressure issues no VAT. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 240560. Engine, 2143 ccom 651 136 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs great. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Fault codes relate to fuel pressure. B. When the engine is running it sounds perfect. They should be an easy fix for somebody grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows, cruise control, fridge unit. EU status, Euro